Hi, I will show you how to add Tutor LMS courses price. For it, I will go to the Tutor LMS monetization settings. See, here I can see the WooCommerce select option. To get this option, make sure the WooCommerce plugin is enabled on your site. You can also use Easy Digital Download, EDD plugin instead of WooCommerce plugin. Now I will add a WooCommerce product item for the course price. See, this product price is $29.99. I will add this product price in a course. Product price added successfully. See, now course price showing. Now can be purchased the course using the WooCommerce payment gateway. Thank you for watching.